The following tutorial will show you how to export your FirstClass calendar events and then import them into your Google Calendar. To begin, log into your FirstClass account. Something to remember, if you subscribe to multiple FirstClass calendars or subscribe to other FirstClass calendars for other colleagues within the division, you'll need to have your subscription removed from those calendars. So you need to talk to the owner of those calendars to remove your subscription. To remove your subscription, they simply have to right-click on their calendar, go to Subscribers, then click on the subscriber and click Remove Subscriber. You also need to have them right-click on the calendar, go to Permissions, and then delete the person from the permissions. Once that's finished, then you can export your FirstClass calendar events. To begin, open your FirstClass calendar by double-clicking on it. It's important that the FirstClass calendar is opened in a separate window. Then click on File, Export, and choose For Use with Outlook.csv, then click OK. You'll then need to choose a location for the exported file, as well as a file name. The file should then start to be exported. Sometimes your export will be interrupted and it will ask you to choose a location and file name again. This is going to create a second, or third in some cases, export file. Simply choose another file name, distinguishable from the first one, and continue with the export. Once the file or files have been exported, go to your Google Calendar. Next to Other Calendars, click on the drop-down arrow and choose Import Calendar. Then choose one of the files that was exported from your FirstClass calendar. Next, choose the calendar you wish to export those events to. Click Import. You'll then need to repeat this process for the other file or files that were created when you exported your events. It sometimes takes up to 24 hours for the events to appear in your Google Calendar. Keep in mind, if you shared your calendar or subscribed to multiple calendars or other people's calendars in FirstClass, you can do the same within Google Calendar. To share a Google Calendar, simply click on the drop-down arrow next to that calendar, then click on Share this calendar. Then you simply just need to type in the email address or name of the person you wish to share that calendar with, as well as the permission settings.